will come into the market, and they also develop many commercials and spread among the audience. So, if one company, one corporate house will not circulate the message, people will forget it, because the memory of people is very short. So, again and again advertising recalling audience to purchase my product. So, this is very much important in the maturity stage of product. Another benefit is that educate people when scientific product, new product which is launched in the market. So, in this regard, people do not know how to use it, what is the process to operate the product. So, each and every guidelines are done by the advertising. So, it is the great opportunity for the people of the society to learn about the new product. So, by the way of ad, we can collect different types of information, and such type of information are very useful for the audience. Next is that advertising is very economical instrument to promote the product, because once advertising is developed and when message will relay again and again, and target non-target consumer both can receive the message, and it is not happened in the personal selling, because this is much more costly affairs. So, in compared to public selling, sales promotion, experience and events, personal relationships, public relationships, all are much more costlier in compared to the advertising. So, it is said that this is the much more economical for the business organization. Another point is that advertising is the major source to fight against competitors. When competitors will reduce the price by the advertisement, another company will also show just I am reducing the price. When another company will relay the message regarding the gift hamper, next company will also provide the gift hamper. So, what is this? This is the step by step movements against the competitors. So, advertising is a great tool to promote the product. But advertising reduces the burden of salesman. It creates the platform between customer and salesman. When audience will watch ad and after that go to shop to discuss about the product. So, primary information regarding the product is collected by the ad. So, salesman has great relaxation to convince audience. Next class, we will discuss about the demerits of the advertising. Thank you very much.